Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Develocity token. Ticker symbol is DEVE. Now this token is getting a brand new central exchange listing starting today, January 16th. We're going to go over the information on the Develocity token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here, the Develocity token. So this token just got listed today, January 16th, at 10 a.m. UTC time on a central exchange called Bitmart. So if you're looking to get the Develocity Finance token, all you would have to do is download Bitmart from the Google Play Store, Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section and search the ticker symbol DEVE, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So their webpage can be found at develocity.finance. Over there you could find a full 23-page white paper. So it says trust, security, and credibility. So they have a huge introduction basically about the world of DeFi, decentralized finance, if you want to go over that. But so we'll just go over, the important stuff about what Develocity is. So introducing Develocity, a comprehensive platform designed to revolutionize decentralized finance by providing secure and trustworthy crypto trading and investment solutions. So Develocity's vision is to create a safe environment where investors and developers can interact confidently, focusing on transparent credibility, technical measures, and standards. The platform aims to develop a cutting-edge decentralized exchange operating on multiple blockchains, incorporating advanced technology to help users and investors assess and manage potential risks. So they're going to offer here a multifunctional scanner tool called the Deve scan that analyzes smart contracts and provides detailed reports for investors and token owners. A crypto swap platform that offers fast, reliable, and secure token exchange services. A safe and secure bridge that simplifies the exchange experience across multiple chains. A digital wallet that offers a fully integrated environment for DeFi investors and speculators. A decentralized exchange platform that enables peer-to-peer transactions in a risk-free environment, supporting seamless movement between networks such as ETH, Polygon, and BSC. The platform, developed using Web3 technology, offers various cryptocurrencies, reduced hacking risks, and anonymity without needing KYC. Develocity's decentralized exchange aims to help underdeveloped economies by facilitating peer-to-peer lending, quick transactions, and anonymous trading for anyone with a smartphone or internet connection. By offering these innovative features and services, Develocity aims to address the challenges faced by investors and token owners in a DeFi space, fostering a secure, transparent, and innovative platform for the future of decentralized finance. So they go over the rise of decentralized finance and what it means and all that type of stuff. Again, we don't need to talk about, cryptocurrency as a whole. We'll just go over what Develocity is. So Develocity, a comprehensive platform designed to revolutionize DeFi, provides secure and trustworthy crypto trading and investment solutions. The platform's vision is to create a safe environment where investors can interact confidently. Now, they kind of go over each one of the things I just mentioned, but in more depth, if you want to review that. But they want to be a decentralized exchange that works on multiple blockchains, including high technology, helping the user and investor understand and determine any risks involved. So they go over the problem statement. Now, some of the problems that they're trying to fix is security, transparency, usability. And their solution, obviously, is all the stuff we just went over, like the multifunctional scanner tool, the Deve scan. They talk about their own CryptoSwap platform that's going to be fast, reliable. And their bridge, which is also going to be safe and secure. You know, if they're going to have multiple blockchains, obviously they're going to need a bridge. And then there's going to be a digital wallet where you're going to need to store all these tokens. And a decentralized exchange platform where you could trade them all. And there's many benefits and advantages. You know, the investor is informed. There's the swapping that's secure. The global entrepreneur, the cross-chain trader, all have advantages here. Let's get down to the tokenomics. So there is a total supply of 100 million Develocity tokens. Now, 15% of those tokens go to exchange and liquidity. 12% goes to development. Then we have 55% of the tokens went to pre-sale. So they had a pre-sale before this Bitmart listing. And then 18% goes to marketing. So in conclusion, decentralized finance has transformed the financial landscape by offering innovative solutions and investment opportunities independent of traditional banking systems. However, security, transparency, and usability challenges have impeded its widespread adoption and growth. So Develocity addresses these challenges by providing a comprehensive platform equipped with advanced tools and services catering to investors and developers in the DeFi ecosystem. So if you want to read more about all the tools and the things that they offer in depth, go to develocity.finance. They have blogs there, project information, full white paper. You can contact them on the webpage. You can check out all their socials, like their Twitter. I'm going to put on the screen here at Develocity Group. That has the Bitmart listing announcement in it. And then you can also see that there's 2 different Telegram links on this Twitter right here, as well as their webpage. So check all that out. Gold verified checkmark on Twitter. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about Develocity? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And leave a comment down there. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.